what is the ruling on YouTube income?
I believe that it is haram because I wish it was halal. Akhi, I have 288,000 subscribers, so I could have make $3,000, $4,000 of ads every month. But the problem is when you allow them to monetize it, they will have to put advertisement that you don't have any control of. Today, I just received a message from one of my followers saying, Sheikh Asim, your video clip was posted on an X satellite channel, Islamic satellite channel, YouTube, and they had, before your clip, an ad with a woman in a bikini. I said, Astaghfirullah, send me a copy, please. No, I didn't say that. But I see, the problem is, he's saying, Sheikh, talk to this channel. And Zallah khair. So if we can control it, wallahi, we would have loved it. But no, halal money, 1 penny is better than 100,000 of haram.
You know, when these things came up, one of the brothers said, "Why don't you, Sheikh, you take it?" So, subhanallah, I watched some of this stuff. I think we did it just for 10 days. After that, I said, call it off. Actually, I found ads about Christianity, like they wanted you to be a Christian, missionary kind of ads, you know. So I it's 100%. Okay.
Allahul Ghani, ya Sheikh.
Yeah, no. Allah provides. Allah provides.